Hello, y'all getting ready with me today. Y'all glowing with me. Y'all chilling with me. Y'all gonna eat with me. We gonna do all that in Spain by Sephora. So I'm styling my synthetic unit, you all, by twisting it up with hairpins versus a scrunchie or a rubber band because I don't want to fight that elastic taking it out at night. And this way the wig falls back into its natural shape. And I went in to pluck out some baby hairs and just trim them. Did the basic with this and use the got to be glue and my handy dandy toothbrush, especially the back of the toothbrush for smoothing. Now, this allows me to not tack the wig all the way down. This way I can slide it off at night and be done with it. Now, on to my best kept little secret, y'all. My 85 proof Neutrogena sunscreen has been the bomb primer. It's moisturizing and then it gets a tacky feel and it sucks that makeup right on up. Also added some Dr. Brandt in my high pore area. Highlighted my brow bone with some highlighter. My eyelid, my whole entire eyelid, I primed with concealer and went back with Laura Mercier Translucent Deep to set it. And then just taking this LA Colors Mineral Face Powder and buffing it on out. And once my perfect nude was created, I went ahead and did my wing liner. Wing liners used to be intimidating to me, but I've learned how to go in with a thin angle brush and start small on the top of my lid. And then I bring it underneath with a eyeliner brush. Now, I never thought I would like this little brush, but I'm hooded eyes and I'm very folded eyes in the corner. So therefore, my wing can't be really, really big or extended. But this allows me to get under the fold just right and create a little baby wing and fleek it. Now, I must say, with a nude eye, you probably seen this look all the time on this channel, but that's just something I like, y'all. Vibe with me. Miss Life of Asia showed me these lashes on Instagram, and I just had to have them because I've been looking for them for a while. And now my foundations that I've been loving, I call this the trifecta. Those three, yes, the LA Girl Pro. I'm LA Girl Pro. The LA Colors. I'm trying to tell y'all that Truly Matte is babe mixed with some of that D10 by CoverGirl, and we are all the way live, baby. And I'm just making sure I get up under that eye and cleaning that up. That also makes for a foolproof way of sharpening a wing as well. And this hidden gem, the Milani One Touch and Erase Concealer in Honey. You all, if you find this concealer, you will love it. It dries down matte, but it's not a hard, cakey matte. And I went in with some Studio something by MAC just for extra insurance because I was going to be out in the street all day. And once I start to blending, look at the combination of these two concealers on top of those foundations. When I said I stayed flawless all day, I did just that. Now, I did get away from baking per se, but the concealers are hydrating, so I needed to set. And then I just went back and buffed out with the mineral powder from LA Colors. And y'all, this clip was in reverse. I was just trying to be cute, but it looks like I did the fan first and then spray. No, I just, trying to be a special effects person. LA Colors Blush and Psych will serve as a bronzer for me because I have natural hollows in my cheek. So you have to use what you got, people. And I don't mind that in these fat cheeks. And some nude blush from City Color Cosmetics just to bring it all together. And I'm doing my tear duct work because the Sneiko the Diva look is not complete without a glowy tear duct. And I went in with that Halo Lightener from Wet n Wild and topped it off with Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife on top of that. And this very first highlighter that I applied, I whipped out Babe from the Summer, which is Molten Gold by Maybelline. And that City Color Copper bronzer, it broke. So I'm just like trying to get some use out of it. I mixed that on it. And y'all know I'm voiceover. So I was in here getting my life, honey. And this Cork Liner by MAC is my perfect lip line color. It's actually my skin tone. And this Maybelline 24-hour bronzy pencil to super line it. And Bahama Beige by Milan. Perfect nude. Take some concealer and add on top with that brown liner. You will not go wrong with this trick. This is the perfect black girl friendly nude. Yeah, I said it. I mean, that's not bomb. Look at that. A fresh, real nude. Outfit of the day, my Kyrie threes and some jeans I made into crop pants and a Nike t-shirt.
The worst Sephora I ever been in. Stalking me like I'ma steal something. So she asked me if I decided not to get my makeup. It's at the counter. It's not in my bag, ma'am. Get out my face.
I ended my night with dinner at Cheesecake Factory, gift cards, of course. Shopped at Sephora, gift cards, of course. Y'all know I'm budgetnista, and got home just in time to catch season 5 premiere of Power. See y'all next video.